Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and thanks so much for clicking on our video. Guys, I just picked up the Ultra 2 in black. Now, if you know, I used to have the Series 9, I still have it, and I had a Series 7 before it, but I wanted more battery life, and I honestly wanted something a little bit more rugged, because I end up banging the corners from time to time. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing so you can take a good close look. And I'll even include my complications I have on my front screen there. As you can see, I actually can control my Tesla from my Apple Watch. I did a video on that. I'll put a link in the video description and talk a little bit about that. But let's go ahead and get this party started. Hi, it's Al from techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. Well, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. And there you go. So, I didn't put it together yet. You do get a booklet that actually gives you details on all of the functionality, which is nice. I got the Ofshane band buckle with the titanium loop, so I went with that one. I end up picking up watch bands on Amazon anyway, but I figured let me try this one. So it's just a good look. It is a thick band, and it does have air holes so that you could see through here. So I'm wondering, obviously, is it breathable, but is it comfortable? I think that'll be the key thing. Obviously, here is now the Ultra 2 in that black. So we're going to go ahead and put it together. And as you could see, I'm still wearing the Series 9. I said go for the 10 or go for the Ultra 2. I like the black, so that kind of made me go, this is the one. And then you do get, your charging device. And looks like a nice cord. USB Type-C. And yeah, this is the iPhone 16 Pro. And it's got that new camera button here. And then it has an action button, which I think they had last year. But this is the black titanium. So let me put that together and I'll show it to you. All right, so here it is with the band on. Again, it's the same watch as the Ultra 2, except this is the black, right? And I didn't set it up yet, but I will actually set it up and then I'll just turn it on so you can see the screen lit up. That's about it. It's really more of an unboxing and a close look, but there you go on the right side. You could see. All right, the left side. And then that, look at that screen, huh? That's something. So I'm looking forward to the battery life on this, and I like that it's black. And you could see here on the bottom, probably just needs to be a little cleaned. This is brand new, fresh out of the box. All right, so let me put it on. I want to play around with this band for a second. So I put this on, and I said to myself, this doesn't stay this way. So they actually give you this in the packaging. It actually opens up, turns sideways, so you can actually loop it in and hold it. Let me set that up real quick. So here it is. As you could see, it just basically kind of allows the other side of the band to tuck in. And nice watch. If I take the 9 and I put it next to it for a minute, it'd be interesting to see. It's obviously got a big case, right? That's the big difference. It's got a big case. It's black. Obviously a lot more features, but I'm not going over features. but that's the 9 and the Ultra 2 in the black. Let me set it up and we'll take a look at the screen real quick. All right, all set up. As you can see, I've got complications on the screen, which is nice because I can actually open my frunk. I can unlock the car. So this is actually connected to my Tesla. I did a video on my other channel. I'll put an image up on the video in the right-hand corner, actually. And what I'll do is I'll put a link to the video. Pretty cool app. It's called Stats. You know, so it's got my activity on the screen, and then it actually has the complications. So, guys, what do you think? You know, I mean, it's definitely a lot more expensive than a Series 9 or a Series 10. But this is it. I'm going to hold on to it. I made a decision to buy it. Again, not a review, just an unboxing. So, all right, I sure hope the information in the video helped you. If it did, give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. And by the way, I'll put our social media right up top if you want to follow us on social media, and our Tesla channel right up there at My Tesla Journey 1. All right. Share our video with your friends and your family. I'll also put a video right here on the right-hand side if you want to check out another video. And if you want to subscribe to our channel here at techmadeezy, go ahead and click our round techmadeezy logo right there. You'll be able to subscribe and join the family. All right, guys. Thanks so much. Have a great day.